A Tagalog-speaking first homebuyer is having a conversation with Jerry, a real estate agent, about a various range of properties on sale at a real estate agency. Dialogue begins now. Hi, I'm Jerry. I saw you browsing our list of properties for sale on the glass windows.
Magandang araw po, Jerry. Marami pong piliin sa mga ari-arian. Sa totoo lang po, masyadong malawak ang pagpipilian.
I'm sure there are many. We can find a property that suits you. What kind of house are you looking for?
Naghahanap po ako ng bahay na may bakuran sa likod o ng apartment. Maganda po sana kung may hardin para sa mga bata, pero kailangan ko rin pong isaalang-alang ang presyo.
Most of the listed apartments are cheaper than houses. There are other options too. What do you think about townhouses instead?
Pwede po ba ninyong ipaliwanag kung anong klaseng bahay ang townhouse? Mga single detached na bahay at apartment lang po ang tinitignan ko.
A townhouse is like a house connected with other houses in a row. It shares common walls. It's larger than apartments and usually has a garden or a courtyard.
Naintindihan ko po. Kawili-wili po iyan. Sa pagsasalita ng townhouse, sa palagay ko po ay nakakita na ako ng ilan. Kung katamtaman po ang presyo, maaari kong isaalang-alang ito bilang isa sa aking mga pagpipilian.
Generally, you pay less for a townhouse than freestanding houses, although it also depends on the area.
Opo, mukhang maganda po iyan. Kung mas mura at mas malaki ang townhouse kaysa sa apartment, okay lang po sa akin ang magkaroon.
Buying a house is very expensive these days. There are several townhouses that are currently for sale. Here is a booklet for more information, and you can also see them on the website.
Maraming salamat po, Jerry. Titingnan ko po sila ngayong gabi at ihahambing sa iba pang ari-arian na ipinagbibili. Tiyak na babalik po ako para muling kumonsulta sa inyo.